Hi, friend. Did you know that you could use ChatGPT to help you create a personalized workout plan? Yes, you can. So, I'm here to show you how to use AI and ChatGPT in your life to make your life easier, to help you spark creativity, to help you achieve your goals. It can help you organize your day, and it could also help bring extra income in for you. So I'm going to guide you step by step. So follow me to learn simple and practical ways to use AI to empower your life. But today we're going to be talking about how to use ChatGPT to create a workout plan for you. As we go into the new year, so many people create what do you call them? Resolutions that they want to lose weight. So I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to help you lose weight that you want to lose, right? So what I'm going to do is I am going to give you a prompt that I created, and all you need to do is take that prompt and put it into ChatGPT for it to create your workout plan. I'll put the prompt below in the description, but let me show you how easy it is to use ChatGPT for this. Of course, you need to have an account, and you can do this using a free account. So all you would need to do is sign up for an account if you don't already have one. So let's get started. I am going to share my screen. So here we are over in ChatGPT. And what ChatGPT does is it uses natural language. So it basically uses your conversation and you're going to tell it what to do. And then it's going to put out exactly what it is that you told it that you wanted. And that's how it works. So the prompt that I have created says, and it's a fillable prompt. So where you see the brackets, you could put in what I have put here, or you can put in your very own selection. But I made it fillable so that you wouldn't have to try to guess what to put in ChatGPT to get a good output. Okay. So let's go ahead and we're going to fill this out and I'm going to show you how quickly it works. So the prompt is, can you create a personalized workout plan for me? You tell it what your fitness goal is, how many days a week you can work out, how long you can work out, and what type of things you have access to, and what type of exercises you prefer. And then it's going to create the plan for you. So let's go ahead and let's fill this out. So I, my fitness goal is to lose 10 pounds. Okay. So I'm going to say that I want to lose, my fitness goal is to lose 10 pounds in 2 months. And I may not look like I could stand to lose 10 pounds, but I am in midlife. And if you're in midlife, you know about those midlife pounds. So, yes, I could stand to lose 10 pounds in 2 months. So, that's going to be what my goal is. I'm going to say that I can work out 3 days a week to start because I don't work out much. So I don't want to try to overdo it and say I'm going to work out every day because I know I'm not. But I'm going to say 3 days a week, right? Each session can last about 1 hour. I do have that in there. So I'm going to say each session can last about 1 hour. And I have access to, let's see, equipment. My husband has workout equipment downstairs, but I'm just going to say that I do not have access to any equipment. So I have access to no equipment. And let's just see what it comes up with. I prefer exercises that are beginner friendly. So let's delete that. So beginner friendly because I have not exercised in a while. And I want them to be low impact exercises because we're going to start this thing off slow. Please include warm ups, main exercises, and cool downs for each session. So that's going to be my prompt. If you want to add anything to it, feel free to do it. Um, but you can put it in just like this and you're going to get a workout plan. So let's just select the arrow here. This is going to send it to ChatGPT and let's watch ChatGPT do its magic. So we give it a few minutes here and it says, here's a personalized 3-day workout plan designed to help you lose 10 pounds in 2 months. It's beginner friendly, low impact, requires no equipment, and includes warm ups, main exercises, and cool downs. To maximize results, pair this with a healthy, balanced diet and stay hydrated. So it's given me exactly what I asked for in the prompt. The workout plan overview is for 2 months. The frequency is 3 days a week. So, for example, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. The length is going to be for an hour, and it's going to focus on cardio, strength, and flexibility to promote fat loss and build muscle tone. So, it's going to give me 3 days of exercises. And then basically, what I will do is just repeat these 3 days of exercise every week. And that's my workout plan given to me by ChatGPT in less than 30 seconds. So we can read, it gives us a warm up of 10 minutes, tells us what to do: march in place, arm circles, leg swings, side step with arm reach. And then it gives us a main exercise of 40 minutes. And it's going to tell you how many reps you need to do and all of that, the whole entire plan. Main exercises: body squats, knee push-ups, step back lunges, plank holds, standing side leg lifts, low impact cardio burst. And then it's going to give us a cool down: standing forward fold, cat cow stretch, child's pose, standing side stretch, and deep breathing. And then day 2, it's going to have some different things than we had in day 1. And then the same thing, day 3 is going to have different exercises that were in 1 and 2. And then you would just repeat these. If there's an exercise that you don't know exactly what it is, or you don't know how to do it, you can simply go to Google and type it in to see what that exercise entails. Or you could just type into ChatGPT and ask it, I don't know what this exercise is. Can you please explain to me how to do it? And then lastly, it's going to give us tips for success: consistency, stick to the schedule to see results, gradually increase reps, that's progression, nutrition, complement workouts with the diet high in whole foods and low in processed foods, rest, ensure proper recovery on non-workout days. So if you wanted to, if there was anything else you wanted, like it says nutrition, complement workouts with the diet high in whole foods and low in processed foods. If I wanted to, I could just put into ChatGPT to give me a diet for a week that would include these, and it's going to give me that diet. But for right, but for now, we're going to go to ChatGPT and we're going to ask it, can you make a checklist for me where I can check off the days I exer exercise. And let's see what it says. So it's analyzing. It says, I've created a checklist with you for 8 weeks of exercise days, 1, 2, and 3 for each week. You can check off the days as you complete your workouts. Let me know if you'd like any adjustments. So what I could do now, ask ChatGPT if it can create a tracker for us to keep track of the days that we exercise. So let's go here. Can you please create a tracker so that we can keep track of our exercises or exercise. Let's just ask it for a tracker. This bar is blocking my view. Let's get that up out of the way. There we go. Now let's send. So It says this is the tracker, but I know that it can make it in a downloadable form so that we can download it to our computer. Can you make it downloadable? Downloadable. Let's see what it says. It says your exercise tracker is ready for download. Click the link below to download it. So let's download it and let's see what it looks like. So it just downloaded the file. I'm going to go here and here's what it looks like. And then we could print this out and we could simply use this to keep track of our exercise. All right, so there's that. Before, I told you that if you wanted it to give you a menu, we could also have it do that. So let's go here. It says complement workouts with a diet high in whole foods and low in processed foods. So let's go here. Let's copy this. I'm going to paste it here and I'm going to ask ChatGPT, can you create, let's just do 7 days for now so we don't make it for too long. Can you create a 7-day menu to complement workouts with the diet high in whole foods and low in processed foods? Let's send it. And now here you go. It's also creating me a 7-day whole foods menu plan to complement the workouts. It's going to tell me what I can have for breakfast, what kind of snack I could have, what I could have for lunch, what type of snack I could have, what kind of dinner I could do for day 1, day 2, day 3, 4, and it's still going, but it's going to create the menu for the entire 7 days. I could then copy this and print this out, and then I could have my menu along with my workout plan, all created in ChatGPT. And if I wanted to take it even further, which we're not going to do right now, I could just have it create me a grocery list also. So then that way I could know what to go get at the grocery store. So I am going to encourage you to give this a try, see how it works for you, create your workout plan for the new year, get 2025 started off right. Come back and let me know that you have tried it and how it works out for you. So I hope you found this helpful. I hope that you will give AI and ChatGPT a try, and I hope that you will use it. Come back because we're going to have more videos like this on how you can use AI, incorporate it into your life, and to help you be more productive, more creative. And who knows, we may even be able to monetize this thing. Well, we will be able to monetize it. So stick with me, and I'm going to teach you all of that. So that's it for now. Bye, friend, and I will see you in the next video.